Hi there, it's Quilting Nerd, and today this is just a very short video show. I wanted to show you some details in my small book project I was promising you since quite some time. And if you remember, a few months ago I had a series of 4 videos with 24 border designs I incorporated in one wonderful table runner. So the table runner consisted of 24 strips, and I used a different quilting design in each of them. And what I did with my booklet was, first I provided you the QR codes to each of the videos where you can see the details, how I quilted it, and I am showing you everything relatively precisely. And then I focused on every single design, giving them separate names, and I provided the photo for each design separately, and then I described it shortly, and then provided you with a space where you can practice this design on a paper, always marking the starting point and when you can follow the line marked. And how it's working, it's also usually included in the text, as good as I could describe the drawing process, which was not always the easiest way. So for each of the designs you have the photo, the description, and the drawings, once in a very strong color and once in gray, so you could simply follow and line and practice your muscle memory. You can see some of the designs are a little bit more dense than the others, and in some cases I divided the stages, how they are drawn or later on quilted, and all of it that you can practice. The booklet is available as a PDF on my Etsy shop, which I just opened, what was another thing I had to learn how to do it. And it is the main idea behind this booklet was that you can either use it as a collection for the quilting designs that you can use in sashings and thin borders, but also that you can print those pages and practice the design that you want as often as you need. So that was the idea behind it, and you can see here in all the details how many different designs were there, including feathers with spine and without spine, the feather-like pattern, the bounce back feather. So there are plenty of very basic designs that are kind of a staple of any quilter. There are some ribbon candies, actually the overlapping one character. There is a double wishbone. There are a whole assortment of wavy lines and S-curves, with and without pebbles. This one is a little bit crazy, and there are also some flowers and swirls. So also the different combinations and easy introduction to designs that you can use to practice your ruler work. So I hope you will like the collection. As I said, this is 24 different designs with very detailed drawings, with enough space for you to practice. Those pages for practicing are designed in a way that they can be printed out separately with cost-efficient approach. So there is no photo, there is no color. So you can simply print it out and practice your drawings, get some muscle memory for the designs and gain a little bit more confidence. Some of you already purchased the booklet. Thank you so much for this voice of confidence in my work. I'm very happy and excited that I can make this available for you. And I hope this collection of patterns will be useful for you and help you along your quilting journey. So let me know what you think, and what can I say? Happy quilting and best greetings from Dresden. Here is your quilting nerd.